Ready? Left cane. Calm down. Left cane. Right foot.
Right foot. Oh.
Right foot. Now right cane.
Left foot.
Left cane. Right foot.
Cane, right? Nothing's happening.
Right cane and now left foot.
Nothing's happening.
And left cane. Come on, look at what you're doing. Now right, no, right leg. Now right cane. Now left foot. Then left cane. Your canes follow your feet, so you just move your left foot and then your left cane. And your right foot, and then right cane. Now left foot and then left cane. Now right foot and right cane. Now left foot, or left cane. Wait, we got messed up. I'm sorry. Okay, do right cane and then left foot. So now left cane and then right foot. And then right cane and then left foot. Left foot, left foot. There we go. Now left cane and then right foot. Now right cane and then left foot. There you go. Don't cross it over too much. Now left cane.
Oh, I can't get all
right
the
foot.
suckers open.
Okay, that's good. Say ta-da! Smile at the camera. And turn up now.